Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
I have been buying, selling, and collecting Hot Wheels cars for many years. And as a result, a room behind my garage wound up being chock full of these amazing little cars. I remember a time when I could walk into a store like Kmart or Walmart and buy multiples of the very best Hot Wheels cars. Occasionally, I would even find a regular treasure hunt or even a super treasure hunt car, which I would really get a kick out of. These days, it is very hard to find a cool car like a Chevy Camaro, Ford Mustang, or Dodge Charger. And don't even think about finding an exotic car like a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or a Porsche. And if you think that you will find a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt in a retail store, you are likely to get your feelings hurt. What changed? Why are we not able to find the best of our favorite toy cars in a retail store anymore? I'll tell you why. Hot Wheels scalpers. Scalpers are going into retail stores, finding out who runs the toy departments and slipping them a few bucks to give them access to Hot Wheels cases before the cars are put out in the store. So the best cars never reach the store shelves. At the very least, they have a friend in the store that tells them when the cars will be put out, so they will get to go through them before customers get a chance to purchase them. In some cases, the employees themselves go through the cases and buy the best cars with an employee discount. After they've bought up all the cool cars, they post them on eBay and other online sites at inflated prices. People pay these high prices because this is the only way to get the best cars. Now, I am fortunate to have a good stock of cars because I bought most of mine before this stuff started happening. I don't waste my time looking in retail stores anymore because it takes too many stops to find any decent cars. If there is a specific car that I want, I just go online, shop for the best price that I can find, and buy it. It is sad, but this is what we have become. Well, that's it for now. Happy Hot Wheel hunting, and thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You.
Thank you for watching Hot Wheels for You.